you receive restricted stock units as part of your company's compensation, you might wonder how they impact your mortgage eligibility. And the reality is, things can be a little bit tricky. So first, we're going to start with understanding RSUs. They are stock shares awarded by companies like NVIDIA and other tech companies here in the Bay Area, often linked to your time or performance at the job. They have a grant date, which is when the shares are promised, and a vesting period, which is when you gain full ownership. Selling RSUs can lead to taxes, depending on when you sell them. So qualifying for a mortgage with those RSUs. There's lender variability. Not all lenders are going to accept RSUs as qualifying income, and those who do have very strict criteria. They have to come from a publicly traded company, like NVIDIA. They must have vested for at least 2 years, with some exceptions. The method that lenders use to calculate RSU income can vary drastically from one lender to the next. So what kind of documentation is needed? Well, you're going to need W-2s and tax returns for at least 2 years, employment verification and pay stubs for the RSU income, and that RSU award agreement detailing vesting. So next we're talking about calculating RSU income. Underwriters assess that income conservatively to minimize their risk. They consider past RSU income, RSU set to vest in the next 3 years, and the company's stock performance over the past 2 years. For example, if you have 5,000 RSUs vesting in 3 years and the stock's average price is $20, your RSU monthly income would be calculated 5,000 times $20 divided by 24, which is $4,166. Next, we're talking about tips for mortgage approval with RSUs. And first, shop around. Different lenders have varying policies regarding RSUs. Use your bonuses. If you receive bonuses, these can boost your qualifying income. A larger down payment can allow you to access a wider variety of lenders that may have a more generous calculation, and build your cash reserves because having extra money can only improve your chances. Maintain a good credit score. Aim for 700 or higher, especially here in our area for jumbo loans. And lastly, reduce your debt because lowering your debt is always going to enhance your appeal to lenders. Understanding these points can help you navigate mortgage eligibility with RSU income more effectively, but I know you have further questions about your specific situation, so make sure you give me a call so I can connect you with my very trusted lender who's very well qualified in helping people use their RSUs to get mortgages. I will see you guys next week.